pedal is the term we use for a long note, usually at the bottom of the texture, underpinning the harmony. Julia Wolf's Rise and Fly begins with the pedal B flat. It's played by the violas and by the percussionist rubbing his hands together. Soon, the whole string section join in humming along. After a short while, this pedal starts to move, and when it does, it moves mostly by step. A drone is similar to a pedal, but it is usually a chord rather than a single note. You often hear drones in traditional folk music due to the nature of the instruments that are used. So bagpipes are drone-based instruments, for example. The pedal we just heard at the beginning of Rise and Fly develops into a drone when the string section take up their instruments. The piano, harp, and vibraphone all join the drone too. That wonderful drone is made up from a cluster chord, also known as a discord. These are the terms we use for a chord made up from adjacent notes that are not clearly within any key. The whole orchestra has some fantastic pulsing cluster chords towards the end of the piece. Throughout Julia Wolf's piece, there are several drones and many cluster chords. Listen out for them when you watch our full performance.